Okay, this problem says the linear velocity of a point on the rim of a wheel is pi feet per second. The radius of the wheel is 18 inches. Find the number of revolutions made by the wheel in 40 minutes. Okay, so revolutions in 40 minutes are rotational speed. I'm given a linear speed first. So I usually like to label what I got. I got 18 inches here. Okay, and I know the linear speed of this. I don't know like how fast it's spinning. Okay, so let's start with our linear speed here. So it's pi feet per 1 second. Again, we notice no calculator, so I expect the arithmetic to be doable. All right, we got to convert to revolutions since the question involves revolutions. And then also the time unit's minutes. I usually like to get that done right away. So 60 seconds per 1 minute. And then again, the key insight is that one revolution corresponds with a circumference. Okay, so I'm going to get my one revolution up here, and the circumference here would be 36 pi inches. Now again, I kind of looked through to cancel units. Nothing cancels. That's because my radius was in inches and my speed was in feet. But we can quickly take care of that by noting that 1 foot is worth 12 inches. Okay, so now two things cancel. And I've got this in revolutions per minute. So that's close. If I can just scale that up to, revolutions in 40 minutes, I'll be done. But let's collect what we have here now. I've got pi times 60 times 12. Again, notice a lot of times it's convenient not to actually do the multiplication. You see how I'm just kind of, I don't know why I switched the pi and the 60, but I'm just multiplying pi times 60 times 12. 1 times 1 times 36 pi. Okay, and again, don't forget the units, right? It's revolutions per minute. And there's a lot of dividing that'll happen here. 12 goes into 12 once and into 36 3 times. The pi's cancel, and then 60 divided by 3 is 20. So look, it's 20 revolutions per 1 minute. What do we want? We want the number of revolutions in 40 minutes. Okay, we'll just set up a little proportion. This needs to be a 40, and I need this to be, I don't know what this is, so it's x revolutions. Okay, and you can cross multiply. 40 times 20 should equal 1 times x. And 40 times 20 is 800.